Welcome everyone, and thank you for coming to 3D print introduction to 3D printing. 3D printing, you design a model in any on any 3D design or 3D modeling application, and you choose your material. Then you print using the printer, and the printer will print layers over layers called FDM. We have like these methods, and there are more methods.
Sorry, all these methods within the same?
No.
Okay.
This printer using FDM, or they call it FFF. Who is needed in this cycle? We need designers, Barak. We need software hackers and hardware hackers. Yeah. And we need creativity, and we need field experts, and some people who understand the materials. So where do we use 3D printers? It's in everywhere. First, we can use it in health. In education, in food, in beauty and fashion. In interior design, clean. For example, we want to print this. Okay, so we scan it. Okay.